Good morning and welcome back to the channel.
Oh, it's still fucking cold. Whew. I had a workout this morning, so I was all sweaty, so I knew I was gonna have to do this. I think I'm having a heart attack.
I had a really nice comfy night. I'm just gonna head to town, have some breakfast, and finalize my supplies, and then we'll tootle on down the road, top up the fuel hopefully at the airport, and then we'll get started on the Trans Taiga. It's 9 o'clock. I'm gonna go for breakfast. The only gas station in town doesn't open until 10. I'm gonna want to top up just in case the airport gas is a myth. Okay, the struggles of rural living. I don't even know what day it is. Apparently it's Sunday. The gas station is closed on Sundays. I'm gonna hope that the airport isn't closed on Sundays. I'll have to do my most economical style of riding. It's true, you can get gas at the airport. He has to give me the coffee. Okay, Melzy, it's the regulation. He has to give me the coffee. It's 350k to where I can possibly get gas. With all my extra fuel, I should be just fine. Here's the start of the Trans Taiga. It's 358 kilometers to Mirage, which I believe I can do, but apparently there's some spots before that. There are hydro sites. I'm not sure if you can get fuel there. They do show gas stations on the map. Anyways, right now I'm going to air down the tires a bit. Okay, let's see what kind of road this actually is. Alright, I've come 134 kilometers so far. Road's pretty good. Able to do between 80 and 100k on the road. Some sloppy gravelly sections, but lots of hard pack, so it's pretty good. I've just stopped to take a little break at this nice little lake. I'm going to throw in that 4 liters too, just to get rid of that extra weight. Okay, I got probably a quarter of the fuel all over the bike in my hands, trying to get it out of that container. We're 200k from the first potential gas stop. There's no cell service here, but I've sent some in-reaches out, but it's stopped giving the location for some reason. So I just stopped to do some drone work, and the bike was a little unstable, I guess, and then it just tipped over on its own. Jesus. Oh, God. Bugs flying around me and it's hot. Those drone shots better be worth it. Okay, this is La Grande Cat. It's the residence for the
workers of Hydro. Not sure if it was here or the airport back there that I could possibly get gas, but we'll find out. Can't get gas here at 5:30, 4 o'clock now. So it's 50k to Mirage, so I can make that. Okay, we've made it. Okay, I got 0.03 of a liter, and then it broke. 46 bucks for fuel, and this ridiculous buffet. Basically stocked up on food, and now I have way too much emergency supply food. It's well worth it. I think it was only 20 bucks for all this. Drive for another hour or so. It's 6 o'clock. About 100k or so. I've looked at the map. It looks like there's some turn-off spots to maybe set up camp. I was thinking about staying at that place for tomorrow night. It was 300 bucks a night. So I'm out. A fire ripped through here last year. I met some guys earlier that were rebuilding cabins, hunter cabins. Brand new with the super heavy duty tubes. Somehow popped it. Figure out if the tools I have are gonna help me. I think the valve stem snapped off because it just spins. How the hell that happened, who knows. So I have to try and do a tire change. Okay. Well, tires off. Tube's out. Stem completely ripped off. The tape is ripped as well for the inside. Tube is in. I'm pretty sure it's secure. Now, hopefully there's no leaks. Hopefully I can get the tire back on. Oh my god, I can't believe I did it. Oh, no, please. The air.